Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, before I begin my presentation, it's better for me to introduce myself. My name is Indah Fathika Sari, coming from the State University of Sultan Syarif Qasim Pekanbaru, and now I'm in the 5th semester of the Faculty of English Education Department. And now I'm standing here going to present my presentation because this is one of the semester project of relate to the subject curriculum material development. So please pay attention to my presentation. As a pre-teacher, it's better for us to know about what is curriculum, how to organize curriculum, how to make curriculum in order to teaching well in the classroom. And curriculum itself is a set thing which organize the lesson design or which organize the learning process or the agenda or the schedule during the learning process in the 1 year of school. And curriculum is Indonesia is refers to a set of planning or an organization of aim, content, and learning material. The function is as a guidance as a guidance in learning in school. And Indonesian curriculum development itself is consists of 2 points. The first is material meaning based curriculum, or the another name is MBC, and the second is competence based curriculum, or the other name is CBC. And the both curriculum is based on 2 dimensions. The first is theoretical dimension and then practical dimension. In the theoretical dimension, it consists of 4 models that should we know. The first is dualistic models, interlocking models, concentric model, and then cyclical models. And in the practical dimensions, our subject curriculum, there is a English subject matter curriculum, or the other name is ASMC. That's what English subject used in school. So English subject is practical dimension or English subject matter curriculum. And then meaning-based curriculum, or MBC, is the curriculum used in 1994 curriculum. So it is a old curriculum, but I think it is still used until now. And competence-based curriculum, or CBC, is the curriculum used in 2004, 2006, and 2013 curriculum. It means that CBC is used until now in the school nowadays. The next is theoretical dimension. As I said before, theoretical dimension is underpinned by 4 models. The first is dualistic models. These models is describe the curriculum sits side by side with instruction. So the curriculum is put side by side with the instruction of the school. And then there is interlocking model. This model is described the both curriculum is relate each other. So the instruction and the curriculum cannot be separated. The next is concentric model. In this model is illustrate the curriculum and instruction in one component. So curriculum and instruction is in the one system and cannot be separated also. And then the next is cyclical model. This model describes the curriculum and instruction is having relationship, but they are separate each other. The next is practical dimension. In practical dimension, there is a thematic development that used in MBC in the 1994 and in the 1994 curriculum. I think in this and as the English education department student, we focus in the practical dimension. I think in this practical dimension, the thematic development is the strategy of learning process used by the teacher and with the teacher is the decide what theme that the teacher should apply in the class in that day. So before the teacher conducting the class, the teacher should be prepare what theme that she will apply in the learning process in the school, in the classroom. And then and the next is the conclusion. So after speaking much about Indonesian curriculum development, we coming to the conclusion. In the conclusion, uh, Indonesian curriculum development consists of 2 points. The first is meaning-based content, meaning-based curriculum, and the second is competence-based curriculum. But we are focused in the MBC because MBC is use practical dimension, which is have another subject. It is thematic development, and then theoretical dimension is consists of four models, underpinned by four models. The first is dualistic model, concentric models, and then I'm sorry, I forgot. And then interlocking model, and then cyclical models. Okay, that was my presentation about Indonesian curriculum development. I think my presentation is not really good, but I already do my best with the subject because my original file of the video in the classroom is lost. I don't know where it goes, and okay, I'm not going to speak more. The last is Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm sorry for any single mistake of mine. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.